Okay, everybody, so I'm time, effort, and I don't have time to get ready in the morning. Sorry, I'm back to drinking my Powerade Zero in the morning because I am, like, no kidding, so dehydrated and all of that. It's just miserable. So, yeah. So, we gotta do that. I have been taking just a little picture in the morning of my kind of get ready stuff, and you know, I will thinking about doing like one of those I used to do of the outfit of the day, makeup of the day, and yeah, just do that. My freaking face is so broke out, so we're not gonna put on foundation today. I should, so you can't see all the redness, but I'm not. Yay, I posted 3 videos last week. Last week, whatever. It's the first time I posted 3 in a long time. Long time. So, can I get away with no foundation? I just don't know. My hair. So my hair is like just being a beast. It's really too much. Really too much. So, say I'm not going to wear any foundation. I'm going to go right in my drawer and pick up some foundation because I just don't know that I can do it. Alright, this is a sample of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. It's really just a blurring skin tint, it says, which is good. It has SPF 25 in it, and this is in color 8. I have no idea what color I am. I'm sure I just look red on the screen, red and white. So yeah, started a new job 2 weeks ago. I think I've been telling you guys about it. I'm just really putting this foundation on with my hands. Well, I don't know why. I don't know why I just did that, but I did it. How's that? Sometimes your fingers are just good enough. What better blending tools? Freaking crazy today. I don't know how much that gets rid of the redness. Susan. Yeah, so new job this week, last week, this week, and then like yesterday, I think I made like a huge mistake. But it happens. It's gonna happen. I feel horrible about it though. Absolutely horrible. But it's gonna happen, right? Shit happens. Nobody's gonna die from it. Well, maybe. No, not really. No, I wouldn't do that. No. Nobody's gonna die from it. So, yeah. So, just a little skin tint. This is my no foundation. I am not going to put powder on my face today. I just don't feel like it. I always put it on during the week because, you know, everybody comes up to you and hugs you and all that stuff at work when they haven't seen you in a long time. And I'm like, I'm so afraid I'm going to get, like, bright foundation on somebody's, like, cream-colored suit or something. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. Nona sent me a... She left a comment on one of my videos. She was like, Susan, I think you're becoming addicted to piercings and tattoos more than you are makeup. And I haven't responded to her yet, but no, I'm addicted to everything. Clothes, shoes, makeup, tattoos, piercings, all of it. Yeah. Bunch of trash here on my desk. Makeup station. I have to get another one of these today. This is the Rimmel Brow This Way, the clear one. I'm just in love with it. Can't let it go. Can't let it go. Alright, so I'm going to go into this Huda Beauty. This is the 3D palette. It's one of the ones we got. Or you should have gotten one of your boxes. And I'm just going to go into that right there. It's a little bit shimmery, but that's okay. It's okay for us to glow. We're gonna be sweating our ass off, so we might as well be glowing our ass off too. Yeah, it's gonna be really hot in the part of Virginia I live in today. Like, when I say hot, I mean the heat index is like 110. One of those days. Don't want to go anywhere, but you got to, you know, and then you're like, well, I'm out. I might as well return the things that I need to return. And then, well, I'm in the store returning. I might as well shop a little bit, right? Yes. After my husband came home last night, and I had boxes piled on the floor like this. Yeah, they were like this high. This high. And they were shoes. It was shoes. It was all shoes. I need some shoes. Because of my diabetes and my history, my medical history, like diabetes, and liver transplant, thyroid, yeah, you name it, I got it. And I just can't always get all the fluid off my body. That's a good way to put it. I can't get all the fluid off my body. And so now, if you guys could only tell, I look like a glow ball. But sometimes I have to wear closed toe shoes and compression socks and all of that stuff, so why not be fashionable? So I buy Doc Martens and stuff like that. I bought the cutest little, they're not Doc boots, they're just like regular shoes, and they have like a red applique heart on them and roses and stuff. Everybody knows that Docs are made in Europe, right? Right. We all know that. What did I do? I got the European size instead of my size. You big turd. So luckily I got right back. They were on Nordstrom Rack or something like that. So I got right back on and ordered my size because they are so cute. I have to have them. But now I gotta wait. Why can't I find my brown stuff? Because it's a day that ends in Y, and I can never keep my hands on my brown stuff. You really didn't want to hear that. So anyway, so I have to get those back in the mail. You guys know I don't normally go in the store, but and then I ordered some rose gold Docs from DSW. Damn, them son of a bitches don't fit right either. And that's weird for me because normally Docs, I'm dead on my size. Actually, a little bit smaller than my size because they run so friggin' big. But this time, nope. No sir, no ma'am. It is like, we ain't gonna work for you this time. Which is fine. I'll get over it. It's almost winter time. I'll be back to wearing my burgundy and my black ones. I need a brown pair, but I bought a pair of cowboy boots, so that could probably... You don't need all these shoes, Susan. And then I bought another pair of black boots from this, it's called TUK. I have no idea. This is the first time I bought any shoes. I bought a pair of flats from them, and I bought a pair of little like combat boots that are pretty cool, and they have skulls on them. Makes them even cooler in my book. So, what's going on with these brows today? They're a little bit big. I ain't got time to play with you today, brows. Sorry. We've got to go shopping. Sorry about that. I thought my screen had frozen, and so the video split in two. Yeah. This is the Essence one. Not that big a fan. Yeah, not that big a fan. My little Pookie sent me a text. Hi, Pookie. Saturday morning, baby. We ain't at work. She's not here, ma'am. I don't have her on the phone. Seriously. I'm just being crazy. I gotta get my brows done. Queenie's gonna tell me, I don't have time. I should just go to Tram. Tram, I need my eyebrows done. Every time I look at them, it's like, you need to get that microblading done. Alright, we're going to go in with my Sigma Brilliant and Spellbinding. Put a little bit of love on our face. Not much love, just a little bit. A little bit of love. Little bit. We're going to go into this pink here. What's pink? I never do pink, but we may just... We're just going to have a soft pink up on our eyes. Alright, I have a serious confession to make. I gave all that makeup that I had in the bag to the little girls that live behind me. They're twins and cute, and yeah. They just wouldn't, I don't know that they would buy it for themselves, but I was like, you know what's sitting here? It's so hard to mail. I'd rather give you guys gift cards and stuff. It's so hard to mail stuff. Yeah. I will do another giveaway when I get myself to done, which may be never. If that's the case, we'll just do something fun. Oh, shut the hell up, woman. Finish your makeup and go on about your business. Go on about your business, woman. You're driving us crazy. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's just a clean... It's a clean brush. That is a novel idea, having a clean brush. And I'm just going to go into this pale pink that's right next to it and see if I can get any color off of that. Probably not. Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah, we're just going pretty neutral today. I called little Miss Shirley and told her we might be going to some other places today. It's how her and I hold up in the heat. Neither one of us do well in the heat. Well, especially her. She has no business being in the heat. But she'll go everywhere I go. But how she is, Mom is ride or die. She's in the car. She's like, where are we going? As long as I got some Diet Coke and some air conditioning, I can go anywhere. Used to be we'd worry about Diet Coke, air conditioning, and cigarettes, but neither one of us smoke anymore. So we don't worry about that. We're being healthy by not smoking. Yay us, Ma. Yay us. I have to remind her we're being healthy every day because we're not smoking anymore. So she can tell me that that doesn't count. I don't know what kind of lip I want to put on. Huh. And I'm going to put some mascara on. I really just want a lip gloss today. So we just did a lip gloss. What about this? It's called Pastel Petal. It's probably going to be too much pink. Oh. It's pretty... We look so pretty and pink because we got red on. Shit, what are you doing to yourself, girl? And a little bit of mascara, please. And then we gotta walk the dogs, walk the dogs, walk the dogs. They know we're going out. So yeah, so a shit ton of shoes to return. One in person. If I could. Ooh, I'm gonna be out by Nordstrom's on Tuesday. I wonder if I should just return those shoes. to a Nordstrom. Question will be, after I get tattooed on Tuesday. Yes, I'm getting another tattoo on Tuesday. I'm not getting a filler put in my arm, on my arm, which is going to be a lot. And maybe, probably, won't much feel like a tattoo after that. I mean, shopping. Damn, Susan. Do you know where you're going? Do you know what today? I need to go in there and get that watch from my mom. Just tried to pick up a watch the other day, and I was like, no, Shirley, I got one like that. No need to spend any money there, my dear. Okay. Yeah, I got all kinds of makeup on. Fix Plus. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry the camera sucks, but it's still me. I love you guys so